Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Another video. Welcome guys. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can earn 2 separate cryptos by staking just one. Yeah, just follow me through. So I'm saying we're going to earn one. We're going to stake. I'm going to show you guys how you can stake the YLDY token with the UD token using my Algo wallet. As you can see on the screen, you're going to use my Algo wallet to stake your YLDY tokens on the YLDY official site. So yeah, just sign into my YLDY token. So I already got my Algorand and YLDY ready in my wallet. So yeah, that's my YLDY balance, and this is my Algo balance right here. So to set up the wallet is very easy. Just go to my wallet.myalgo.com. I'm going to leave the link down in the description below, so you can just set it up. It's very easy and straightforward. So moving on to the YLDY website. YLDY staking pool, yeah. You can just type on Google like YLDY staking pool, see? Because I've gone through this before, so mine is there. So yeah, app.yldy.finance. Just click that. It's going to take you to the official site. Yeah, here we are. As you can see, YLDY pool, ASA staking, stake, withdraw, claim rewards. So yeah, this is there. Let's go to the overview. Let me just give you guys a quick overview of the site. So yeah, this is it. The total value locked is 92 million right now. So this is a very huge ecosystem coming up. So it's just, I want to be a part of that. If that's what you want, because you have to do your own research, because I have done my research. So yeah, in this staking pools, so this is YLDY, you earn YLDY and you earn Algorand as well. And this is the current APY 42.6, ends in infinity is there, and this is the total value locked already. This is 1.3 billion YLDY locked. So yeah, these are the other pools where you can stake YLDY, you can earn ARCC, you can stake Smile tokens and Opulus. Yeah, you can do all of this if that's what you want. And then you can join into the prize games, the Algo prize games, like a lottery kind of games. So I would advise, personally, I'm not going to do anything like this because, that's not what I want to be doing. But yeah, if that's your thing, if gambling is your thing, then you can go for it. And then this is the pool that I'm trying to stake on, the YLDY, and this is the current Algorand and YLDY rewards going on. And then that's just the information and all of that. So if you want to go to the NFT prize games, the bridge, everything is just there for you. But for the sake of the video, so I'm just going to connect my wallet, which is my Algo wallet. This pop-up, then I'm going to sign in, give the unlock. So I'm trying to sign into my wallet. Wait for that to sign in and connect. Yeah, that's it. So it showed my YLDY balance and my Algo balance as well. So this is where I'm just going to click on this staking pool. Just going to stake YLDY assets, yeah. Just because I'm trying to stake, so yeah. I'm going to opt-in applications, staking contract. If there's any other one, you can keep the you can click the other ones there. See, approved, love it, approved. Then I continue, click on continue. You sign. What I'm doing right now, I'm using my Algo wallet to interact with the Algorand blockchain. So yeah, it requires awaiting transaction. So my label balance is 5.7. So this is the pop-up that shows up after you've confirmed on the transactions and all of that. So yeah, I'm trying to deposit all my YLDY, so I'm just going to put 683, or you can just use the 100% right here. If you're trying to deposit 75, 50%, well, I am depositing the 100%, so I'm just click next. It's going to require you to sign and approve the transaction again. continue. We can hit to sign again. Yes, so it's confirming the transaction right now. See, that's all done. And then I have staked all my, as you can see, return, and that's it. If you want to view it on the Explorer, which is not necessary for this video, so yeah, and that's it, all done. So yeah, this is where I'm going to claim. This is where all my rewards will be posted, and I can claim right here. If I want to withdraw it, this is where I withdraw. This is where I claim, and then my rewards is going to be updated in 10 hours and 8 minutes. And if you want to get all the full info, the project website, all the contracts, if you want to opt out, opt in, so you can see it says staked. So yeah, that's it, confirmed. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's how you stake your YLDY token using my Algo wallet. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and share this video. And watch to the end, guys. Watch to the end. You know, the more you watch, the more YouTube recommend my videos. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.